AirPods are designed to conserve battery by entering a low power or sleep mode when not in use. Typically, after 5 to 15 minutes of inactivity, no audio playback or connection, they should reduce power consumption. If your AirPods aren't entering this mode, they'll drain battery quickly. Newer models, like the AirPods 4, have improved sensors, but older models can experience issues. This video will guide you through diagnosing and fixing this problem. Remember to check if you have the latest firmware version 6A326 for optimal performance. Several factors can prevent your AirPods from entering low power mode. Common causes include outdated firmware, software glitches, blocked sensors due to earwax or debris, extreme temperatures, or frequent disconnections. Outdated firmware. Software updates fix bugs that prevent sleep mode. Software glitches, temporary errors in iOS or AirPods firmware. Blocked sensors. Earwax or debris blocks proximity sensors. Extreme temperatures. Hot or cold weather disrupts battery chemistry. Frequent disconnections. Repeated unpairing prevents proper sleep. Bluetooth interference. Crowded Wi-Fi signals delay sleep activation. Adaptive timers. Low light conditions shorten sleep timers. Identifying the root cause is the first step to resolving the issue. A simple but often overlooked solution is cleaning your AirPods. Use a soft, dry, lint-free cloth to gently clean the sensors, especially the proximity sensor. Check for any debris or earwax that might be blocking the sensor. Compressed air can also be used to carefully blow out any particles from the speaker grills and charging case. Ensure the AirPods are completely dry before placing them back in the case. Resetting your AirPods is an effective way to clear temporary software glitches that might be preventing low power mode from activating properly. For the first step, place both AirPods in their charging case and close the lid. Wait 30 seconds to ensure everything is properly connected. Now open the lid and locate the setup button on the back of the case. Press and hold this button for about 15 seconds. Watch for the status light to flash amber, then white, indicating the reset is complete. Once the reset is finished, your AirPods' power states will be recalibrated. The battery life should improve noticeably. Finally, repair your AirPods with your device through the Bluetooth settings to restore the connection. Outdated firmware can cause various issues, including problems with low power mode. To update your AirPods firmware, first ensure your AirPods are connected to your iOS device. Next, make sure your iOS device is connected to Wi-Fi. The update usually happens automatically in the background while the AirPods are in their case and charging. You can check your firmware version in Settings, General, About, AirPods. Make sure your iOS is up to date as well, as iOS 18.2 addressed some power management bugs. If basic troubleshooting hasn't resolved the issue, Bluetooth interference might be the culprit. Other wireless devices or Wi-Fi routers can prevent your AirPods from entering low power mode. Try moving to a different location away from potential sources of interference, such as crowded areas with multiple wireless devices. Extreme temperatures also impact battery performance. Both hot and cold conditions can disrupt the lithium-ion chemistry in your AirPods. Avoid leaving your AirPods in direct sunlight, hot cars, or freezing cold environments to maintain optimal battery health. A Reddit user with AirPods Pro reported persistent battery drain due to a firmware bug. Updating to iOS 18.1 resolved the issue, extending battery life from 3 to 5 hours. If you've tried all the troubleshooting steps and your AirPods still aren't entering low power mode, it may indicate a hardware issue. Contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for further assistance. Hardware failures account for approximately 5% of low power failures, according to Apple. A customer with AirPods Max experiencing no sleep mode after a drop needed a replacement under warranty, highlighting potential physical damage. Apple continues to innovate AirPods battery management through advanced technology and sustainable practices. Newer models feature AI-driven optimization that learns your usage patterns to automatically enter low power mode when needed. A major focus is sustainability, with Apple targeting 100% recycled materials in AirPods batteries by 2027. This initiative not only reduces environmental impact, but also improves battery reliability and lifespan. Ongoing firmware and hardware updates deliver continuous improvements. These updates enhance power efficiency, fix bugs, and extend battery life for all AirPods users. The upcoming AirPods 5 will incorporate graphene-enhanced batteries, offering faster charging times and more stable power management. This breakthrough technology represents the next step in wireless audio innovation. These advancements result in significantly improved battery performance. Watch as the battery life increases from 80% to 95% efficiency with future optimizations. Apple's commitment to battery innovation ensures AirPods will continue to offer exceptional performance and reliability. Stay updated with the latest firmware releases to experience these improvements firsthand.